What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and welcome to our channel where we have all kinds of fun talking about vans and motorhomes and whatever else crazy things I can come up with. And today we're going to be talking about this van that is awesome behind me. This thing is completely rhino lined, and did I forget to tell you, you guys better, this button right here, this giant thing, smash that subscribe button so that way you can hang out with this craziness all the time and this thing just blowing up and whatnot. So anyways, guys, this thing is killer. It's all rhino lined in like the desert tan color, and I mean everywhere is done, and I mean everywhere, because even the windshield wipers are done in black. All the cowls are done in black. The bumper is all black. The grill is black. The fender flares are black. The only thing that is not black rhino lined on this is going to be like the rubber pieces, and now we added a set of rock sliders to this that are not rhino lined as well, but who knows? Who's to say that he won't rhino line them? And I'm just curious, how many of you guys out there have rhino lined your van, your rhino? What have you guys rhino lined? Comment below and let me know what. And I guess I'm using the term rhino lining because maybe it's like a Xerox copy, you know, like could be Line-X, bed liner, whatever, Raptor liner. I know there's a ton of them different out there, but this thing, I like it. I mean, I guess this would hold up to all kinds of good stuff. Now you may look at this also, and while we're here, let's talk about what else is done to this. And we have a set of 305 Envies. This is a 17-inch wheel on here. It's a 285/70/17, and this is actually a Cooper tire. Pretty cool looking tire on there. Kind of digging the sidewall. Looks kind of like Star Trek-y to me, you know. But anyways, our Baja Grocery Getter kit up on the front of this thing. You can see a ton of room in here, and we actually had to come in and trim part of this bumper just to make sure that tire clears all the way. But you know that if you want bigger tires on there, if you want your van to drive so much nicer, this is the only kit that is going to do that for you. And because that's all we do here is build crazy vans. And then in the back of this thing, as I chug backwards, you're gonna see that this still has the stock leaf springs in there. We did just add a block to the rear of it. So blocks, U-bolts, and then a set of Fox shocks in the back of it. Keep in mind, you can do springs in there if you don't wanna run blocks, and that's gonna give you a way better ride. It's gonna not do so much damage to that back. But they did add a roof rack to the top of this thing. I mean, the thing's cool. I mean, I just want to go have some fun in these vans. I guess I better get busy. I better get busy building my van. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, we have all kinds of videos coming at you for SEMA 2021. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. I will see you guys in the next video.